strawberry mango was really good. I think so. So I'm by the Christmas tree right now. It's really pretty. It's making me want to eat something. Right here. Look at it. And there's some presents. 8. Right. That's a lot of presents. Woo. And I am really excited to try a strawberry mango. This is so exciting. We are by the tree right now, so I'm exploring. There's a lot of presents. Exploring. Here's a sign. Pick up. There's that side too, but it's too cold. Well, you guys can't see it because the window's too flat. That's the menu. That's the strawberry mango. Where did it come from? I want my strawberry mango. So cold.
Uống thử đi, ngon không? Ngon không?
Bit cold.
Sao?
It tastes like mango actually only.
Con order gì?
Strawberry mango.
Strawberry mango là gì? Tiếng Việt là gì?
Dâu.
Nó dốt tiếng Việt nè.
Con quên tên mango là gì?
Gì mà chua chua mà má mi hay ăn?
Xoài.
Đúng rồi.
Xoài.
Ok.